In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Hflex to Webflow. Hflex, short for horizontal flex, is simply a way to arrange elements in a row using Webflow's built-in Flexbox controls. It's perfect for lining up icons next to text, building navigation bars, or creating evenly spaced card layouts. We'll walk through where to click, what you're looking at, and a few practical tips so you feel confident applying it in your own project. First, open your Webflow project and make sure you're in the designer, looking at the page where you want the layout change. Give the canvas a second to load. You'll see your site structure on the left in the navigator and your styling controls on the right. Next, click the highlighted element on your canvas. This highlight represents the section or container you plan to control with Hflex. You should see a clear selection outline and the element label at the top left of the canvas. If selecting on the canvas is tricky, the navigator can help you target the exact layer. Click the next highlighted element to drill down to the specific wrapper that will act as your Flex parent. Remember, Flexbox works from the parent element down, so you want to apply Hflex to the element that directly contains the items you want arranged in a row, like cards, buttons, or icons. Now click the Style panel on the right, the one with the paintbrush icon. This is where the layout magic happens. Under the Layout or Display controls, you'll find Flex. When Flex is enabled and set to a row direction, that's your Hflex. Children line up horizontally. This panel also gives you alignment, justification, wrapping, and gap controls, so you can fine-tune spacing without manual margins. If your project uses a utility class system that includes an Hflex class, this is the panel where you'd see and manage it. Click the Settings panel, the gear icon. Here you can review attributes or custom code that might influence layout, such as overflow settings or data attributes. It's a quick health check to make sure nothing is unexpectedly overriding your Flex behavior. Click the Interactions panel, the lightning icon, to confirm any animations tied to these elements still behave as expected in a horizontal layout. If elements move, reveal, or pin on scroll, verifying them now saves time later. Finally, click Publish. Choose your domain and let Webflow update the live site. After publishing, open the live page, resize your browser, and confirm that your horizontal layout looks great across breakpoints. If something needs polish, return to the Style panel to adjust alignment, wrap, or gaps until everything feels balanced. That's it. You've located the right element